IMC about reward to taxpayer. The government is currently taking several measures to get tax. More and more strictness is being done for him. But due to this, our business has reached the brink of closure. Despite this, the tax amount is not reaching the government. The merchant class is also reducing the tax by offering bribe to the middleman. But for all this reason, the public and the government are not benefited anyone. Rather, money is going wrongly in the pocket of middlemen. Government employees, which does not contribute to the progress of the country. She is rating out as a black earning in the pocket of the other by earning from one pocket. The merchant is contributing to the progress of the society by putting it in the market. But who is doing this well by reaching the walls or foreign bank? It is a matter of thinking. At this time, the government is taking all measures to increase the availability of money in the market. But there will be money in the market only. In lieu of this, the people who have surrendered in return for all the receipt of their expenses give them some benefits as reward. Then no one will hide their earning. Rather, you will gladly keep every receipt for your expenses. This will make it easier to access the tax correctly. All his good and evil can be exposed to the greed of reward for a small child. Difficult work can be done by animals in the greed of reward against their nature. The merchant cannot run the business alone. He needs people to work with him. His growth will solve the problem of unemployment as well as contribute to the country's progress. All the institutions of the government are running in deficit. They get money from the country economy only. If the trade is over, then on whom will the country grow? The trader always proceeds by making a profit. He can never trade more days in a loss. You see, all the communist countries have become dictators or have become capitalist. Thinking about the fall of communism will reveal the truth. They should encourage the merchants by giving them a reward, not as thieves, but helpful in the progress of the country. Our economy is in a state of sinking due to corona. He needs support.